Hello there and welcome! How's it going? This is Castillo here. Welcome to the Facebook Live. And if you're watching this from YouTube, welcome to Castillo's Freedom Breakthrough YouTube channel, the place to come to be inspired. In today's video, I want to share with you my most recent, biggest accomplishment in affiliate marketing so far, and what you can learn from this accomplishment that I've recently made. So, if this is your first time here and you're watching this from the Facebook Live, don't forget to follow me on Facebook by hitting that follow button on my profile. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and some hearts and share this out to the world. And if you're watching this from YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So as of yesterday, on the day of my birthday, I have officially made my first big pro sale in one of the offers that I'm promoting in my business. It's very exciting. I've been super stoked about it, and it lets me know that because I didn't give up and I went ahead and persevered and got resourceful in a time of limited resources, I was able to go ahead and generate that results. But I wish I could tell you it was easy. But to be totally 100% transparent with you, it was not easy. In fact, when I first got started in my own journey, I remember just signing up but coming in with this broken mentality, and I didn't fully understand what it actually took to be successful. I didn't realize I had to spend a lot of time on an everyday basis working on my mindset. I didn't realize that in order to do marketing, that you have to find a way to get resourceful and create capital so that you can use that to invest into paid advertising. I didn't realize that I had to build a list on a consistent basis so that I can increase my chances of getting sales in my business. Now, again, I'm not saying that I'm guaranteeing you any kind of success if you choose to get involved in something like this. This will all be based on how coachable you are and your own work ethic, because results are not typical in this kind of industry. And I just thought to put that out there just so that I don't end up looking like a bad person to you, and so that you don't feel like you got deceived. But you might be sitting there right now and wondering, is this something that is for me? Is this something that I can really build right now in a time where the world is just so crazy right now? Is it really possible? I'm living proof that it is possible. And I want this to be an inspiration to you that no matter how old you are, no matter how experienced or inexperienced you are, you can start as soon as today to get going and build something for the long term. Because I'm going to tell you, on this journey that I've been on for 4 years now, and having made this recent particular accomplishment, I can honestly say that all the work that I put in is totally worth it, and I'm going to continue my way on to the top, because I see now what is possible. And now I'm rocking and rolling, and I'm on my way to even generating more results in my business the more consistent that I keep at this. But how was I able to generate this result? Was it from having a lot of money to start with? Was it from having a big following on social media? Was it from any kind of system that is like the best one out there? Actually, to tell you the truth, it was just simply from working on my mindset, marketing on a daily basis, and never quitting. That's what led me to accomplishing this big accomplishment that I made in my affiliate marketing journey. So again, I wish I could tell you it was easy, but it's going to take work. But it's so rewarding. And I don't want you to be discouraged by the work that you're going to have to do, by the things that you're going to have to unlearn and rework as far as your mindset is concerned. Because I want you to be inspired by my example of what's possible. Because this can absolutely work if you're just willing to put in the hard work and as long as you're coachable. But again, I'm not guaranteeing any kind of success. This is all going to be on you. But I trust that my inspiration and my example is going to be the standard for you to follow of what's possible. And by the way, if you are curious to know what in particular is this big accomplishment that I made as far as my big pro sale is concerned, well, check out the milestone post that I posted on my Facebook timeline earlier. Be sure to check that out in the life events section of my Facebook business profile. And you might be sitting there wondering, well, how can I get started? How can I be on my way to starting to generate the kind of level of results that's possible? Well, here's what I want you to do right now if you're watching this from the Facebook Live. I want you to comment the words below, "I'm interested," and I'll be sure to reach out to you on Facebook Messenger and message you all the details. And if you're watching this from YouTube, here's what I want you to do. There will be a link directly below this video. I want you to click on it, opt in with your best email. You'll be redirected to a video for you to watch, and be sure to lock in your spot and as soon as possible. So, with that said, I trust you got a ton of value out of this video. This is Mark Castillo here. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next video very soon. Take care.